Welcome, friends! Today is our Class 38. In this class, we will learn 3 powerful cutting tools in Adobe Illustrator. These tools are eraser, scissors, and knife. Let's start with the eraser tool. The eraser tool is used to remove unwanted parts of a shape. You simply click and drag over the area you want to erase. It allows smooth and quick editing of your design. The eraser tool has converted the cut pieces into separate shapes and closed their paths. Now let's move to the scissors tool. The scissors tool cuts paths at anchor points. You can click on any point of a path to divide it. This tool is perfect for precise and controlled cutting. The scissors tool does not close the path. It cuts the shape in the same way. Now let's talk about the knife tool. The knife tool is used for freehand cutting. You can drag across a shape to cut it into parts. This is best for creative and complex cuts. The knife tool also closes the paths and converts the object into separate shapes. Now you can easily cut and edit shapes in Illustrator. Practice these tools to improve your design skills.